Hey y'all, welcome back to No Kitchen Cooking. On this episode, it's going to be a little bit different. Today, we are doing the $10 Walmart challenge. If you look, we're at the splendid Walmart here right dab in the middle of Mexico. And basically, it is what it sounds like. I got $10 to make a dish. Today for the $10 deal, I'm thinking about doing like mostly an appetizer. So crab meat and bacon along with like maybe whatever sauce we can try and make for that much money. We got the crab meat for $2.64. I want to get the bigger one because it's better savings, but we only have $10. So let's roll. Alright, we're gonna go with the Great Value Natural Hickory Smoked Bacon. $3.58. So if my math is correct, Mundo, round numbers, we're at $6 deep in this thing. Maybe like $6.08. Alright, so I was originally looking for this sauce called Tiger Sauce. So we're gonna do the twisted garlic smash buffalo ranch. This is our budget. $10. This is $10. Alright, what's up guys? I grabbed a jacket from my truck because it is like 25 degrees out here. But we got our ingredients for the $10 challenge. I'm pretty excited about this one because I have not made these for a while. So here we go. It's a little bit of a mess back here. Been doing some construction at the neighbor's place the last few days. If you watch our channel, Cane Creek Ranch, you've probably seen some of that. We're building a cabin over there. So this is an extremely easy recipe that you can do at home. And excuse me if I'm frantically moving around, I'm just trying to keep my body warm. First thing is we're gonna get this bad boy prepped up, so, because these don't take long to cook. Generally we do them on a grill, but we don't really have that capability. Boom, boom. $10 recipe, just you and me. That's a solid throw. All right, so this is about as easy of a dish as one could possibly make. Oh. So, like I was saying in the grocery store, we could have bought the bigger one to make more, but you know, $10 challenge. It's as simple as bada bing. Probably only need a half roll of bacon here, but this is God's country, so we're gonna do the whole roll. Boom. Then we'll toothpick it. Boom. I'll tell you what, I'm ready for summer. And we're just gonna roll it up just like this, like a pretty little present that you wanna give to your grandma. Happy birthday, Grandma. And then you pray that maybe she won't put cigarettes out on your arm anymore. Beep. As I wrap these up, I have the cast iron skillet just kind of heating up, but to be honest, that's mostly for my hands right now. I'm gonna cook it just like regular bacon, because all you gotta do is cook the bacon. The crab meat's already pre-cooked and everything. That's what makes this a really easy recipe. Really, all your time is just in wrapping the crab. And people, you can get real fancy and, you know, with it and whatnot. People will think you really know what you're doing. All right, we got everything baconed up, as you can see here. Mas bacianos, that's Spanish or Italian, or I made it up. All right, next step, we already got this thing warm. So this is the easy part. Just throw them in and let them get all pretty. I am just getting stuff pretty. Because what have we said, class? Presentation is key. What? Shiny shit sells? Yeah. That's good. Yeah. And Jared would be correctamundo. I don't know. Oh. Snap. Snap, son. If you guys notice here, I'm using my lid from my Dutch oven. This thing is so versatile. I want to do a video here soon where I actually cook on the lid, because you can use these as a skillet, I guess, which is pretty smart. On the lid? On the log part.
Oh.
I know it's Just want to give them a good rotate. I'm not a big burnt bacon guy. Woo, this is looking good. Wonder if people are driving by and they're just like, what's going on? But if they can smell it, trust me, they're interested. Because it smells wonderful. What do you think, Oz? You're not even a crab guy. Are you gonna try this dish? No. Dang. You're too picky. You should try it. More for you. I'll tell you what, if we get 10 likes on this video, it's gonna take more. Austin will try. Austin, our last video got 3 views. I don't care. It got 3 views. I don't care that 10 likes is over double the subs on this channel. It is. It's gonna take more than 10. How many likes? 50? 50 likes within the next 30 days. Ah, all right, you heard the man. 50 likes within the next 30 days. My picky brother will try some of these. I'll have to make them again. Oh, bummer. But he will try it. Guys, please hit that like button and I will film his reaction. Oh, look at that. They're browning up very nice. Spare toothpick. This actually, I think I like this better in the cast iron than the grill because you really get to cook it in all the grease and goodness, you know what I mean? Down here we got a bit of a cold spot. Just gonna do a little rotate. Now we're gonna mess up this great dish with some twisted ranch. Actually, I've bought this stuff before and it's pretty good. Oh, I just messed that up.
I know what you're doing.
It's not easy being fancy. I thought it'd come out in a stream and
it probably would when it's not 25 degrees.
Yeah. Here we go.
Hang on. Say that again.
The big test. Got a little bit of the ranch on there. Oh. That's good.
What's your number scale on this one?
It's 1 out of 36, like it always has been. Wow. All right, so I get hint of imitation crab. I get a hint of bacon. I have a very good palate. Very juicy. Wonderful. Cooking it in the cast iron instead of on the grill makes it cook in the bacon grease, and it's way more juicier than on the grill because on the grill it dries out a lot more. One out of 36. Mouthful. 33 and a half.